the National Quarters Eagle Response Team, the National Quarters PNP, PCRG, PKG Alcrane, and NMDA, NMDC, and to the Fraternal Order of Eagles CLR 69 Central Luzon. Ito po ang batch 394 na binigyan po natin ng libreng training and seminar and first multiplier orientation dito sa Rosario, Cavite. National Quarters, Team 1! Yay! Team 2, Team 3! Yay! Team 4, Team 5! Batch T94, you are now officially declared ERT responders, PNP Force Multiplier, MMDA, NMDC volunteer, and now hereby declared graduate! Pagpalain po kayo ng Panginoong Diyos. Ingat po kayo sa pagkulit. Maraming salamat.